So I use these little USB testers quite often, and this is the brand of this one. These are a common USB tester, and this one's USB-C. Of course, one thing I've noticed here is that this connector, even though it still works, I think the something's broken in it. I mean, it still makes a connection and all that stuff. It's just that this outside shell jacket is it's kind of floppy cock. So let's see if we can open this up and see why is it so floppy. So these should just be a pressed together, and it should come apart easily, I think. So we'll just grab a knife here and see if we can get something to crack open. That was easy. I got the one side open. It's just split right apart. Oh, that's amazing that thing even worked. It's completely severed from the board. Wow, that's amazing. So it just all the solder joints broke. So that's a shame. So here's the end of it, and then here's the board that it come from. So that's the end where, and this is a dual-sided connection. So this is going to be a future repair, because I'm going to have to do this under the microscope, and it's been put away. So the next time I have it out, because that's all that was. This is literally all that was making connection. It's just it sitting there on the circuit board, and it was passing current too. You know, I was using this thing and it was charging the battery at 2 amps, so it does make pretty damn good connection for being a floppy cock connector. Amazing. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and get all your notifications, because someday I'll fix this thing, because I like these little USB testers, because I got 2 of them, and for whatever reason, I don't know what it is with them, is that sometimes if I were to plug this in some chargers and some charge cables, it won't light. It won't even pass any current or anything like that. I don't know what it is with these things. So when this one don't want to play nice, this one does. So I know these things ain't a lot of money. You can just say, well, just buy another one. That's not the point. The point is to fix it. And that's what we do here on this channel. We try to fix things. So this is going to be requiring micro soldering under a microscope. So, but it's going to have to wait for a rainy day when the microscope is out again. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.